You've been working 9 to 5. You now want to move on to the next, which is you want to be a businessman. Buyu', you want to get into business now. But then there's only 5 things that you need to stay away from. Imagine that, just 5 things. Then you go to the issues of buyu', buying, and now you want to be a businessman. You've been working 9 to 5. You now want to move on to the next, which is you want to be a businessman. Buyu', you want to get into business now. The Sharia, wallahi brothers, it said to you, everything is halal. Everything is halal. وَأَحَلَّ اللَّهُ الْبَيْعَ وَحَرَّمَ الرِّبَى. But then there's only 5 things that you need to stay away from. Imagine that, just 5 things. The first one is any type of business which has in it gharar, deception. No, don't do that. The second one that the Sharia says that you need to stay away from is things which are haram in and within themselves. Like for example, don't sell dogs. You're not allowed to in the Sharia. Bay'ul kalbi is not allowed. Also, the money that comes from prostitution is haram. You're not allowed to. You cannot sell alcohol. You cannot also sell corpse and dead animals and etc. You're not allowed to. You're not even allowed to sell blood. You're not allowed to. The third one then is things that are prohibited at a particular time. At this particular time, it's prohibited. For example, you're not allowed to sell weapons at a time Muslims are fighting. You can't say, I'm selling them weapons, man. And you know they're killing each other. You're not allowed to. Bay'u silahi fil fitra. Or the fourth, which is you're not allowed to sell or make business from due to the place. Like the masajids. You're not allowed to sell and buy in the masajids. You're not allowed to. Some people, sometimes they get carried away and they use their phones to buy things whilst they're in the masjid. Be careful. Buying online while you're in the masjid, stay away from it. Paying for your ticket whilst you're in the masjid, be careful. Stay away from that. Do it outside in the masjid. Still falls under buying and selling in the what? In the masjid. And last but not least, which is riba. Riba. If you look at all of those business, do you know why Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala prohibited it? Every single one of them is because it's going to affect the relationships of the people. All of those businesses can affect the people's relationship to one another.